Hey everybody, welcome to a special episode of The Minute with Marler. We don't usually shoot these episodes with an iPhone, but we're out in Kansas City today visiting with customers, and we've actually come across something that I really am excited about and would love to share with you guys. So we're going to go in and talk to Dean Prather, who is one of the co-owners of Quality Vending. And I think you're going to be really interesting to see what we found today. They have a proprietary crate that they use to pre-kit beverages, which is one of the most asked questions that we get at Lightspeed, and he's going to share it with you today. So let's come on inside and take a look at it. All right, so Dean, this is by far the most asked questions we get at Lightspeed. How do we pre-kit beverages? Specifically, what do we pre-kit beverages in? You have created your own beverage tote. Tell us about it.
So, not unlike everybody else, we had the same issue, and we kept on dealing with it. We're still dealing with and you'll hear me say this, shift happens, right? And
yep.
So what we decided is let's come up with our own tote. It's similar to what you're seeing maybe the beverage bottlers using right now, but this one is proprietary that it'll hold any size package you need. So any package you want, if it's a 7-Up bottle, a Coke bottle, a Pepsi bottle, all slightly different in height, cans, juices, you name it, it'll put it in there, and you can get up to 48 cans in there, 12-ounce cans in there, and you can get, depending on how you load it, you can get close to 30 bottles inside this.
So this does not have a lid on it. Does it actually nest inside of each other?
Absolutely.
So it saves space?
Yep. So fully loaded, what it does is it reverses, and basically you're going to reverse it, and it's going to stack right on top of it. And it nestles down inside each other so they won't slide, okay? But then once it's empty, you turn it around and it completely nestles down.
So this is a prototype. This is not
Correct.
The color. This is a high or 3D printer model prototype. When do you anticipate this being ready?
So not unlike any other business venture, obviously there's a lot of testing, a lot of research that's got to go into it. We have got to the point where we believe we have a prototype that'll work. The next step is that we would like to see some people become partners in it, and we're willing to discount the cost of this initially to those individuals in exchange for helping us out a little bit. We're not going to take on the expense of this, but I can assure you that we've gone through painstaking efforts to look at how we can put a label on the tote. How does the product fit in there? Does it fit onto a cart properly? Does it fit into the van properly? All of those things have been done. So to answer your question, from start to finish on the first delivery, we're probably looking at about 2 months. It's once we get the orders. From there on out, once we have this situation rolling and we have it a press ready to go, we can turn orders around pretty quickly.
Couple of very important things given today's political environment. Made in the USA?
Made in the USA.
Ballpark. What are you looking at? Again, we won't hold you to this. What are you thinking the cost of this to an operator would be?
What we're looking at is a volume cures all ills. So naturally, if somebody wants just to order a handful of these, we're probably going to be in the ballpark of around $16 a unit plus shipping.
Okay.
If you want to order and make it easier on us, obviously, and you want to order by the pallet, which is going to be roughly, we're thinking around 130 units per pallet, we're going to be down to about $14 a unit. Now,
okay.
Those early on partners, we're looking at discounting it even more than that.
So you are looking to form a co-op, if you will, of initial people that want to buy the tote and want to participate in some of the cost of setting this up or covering the initial run, the initial production run. If someone's interested, how do they get a hold of you?
They can reach me at Q-Tote.com. Okay, you can go to the website.
Letter Q.
The letter Q-Tote.com. That's the website. Or you can reach me on my cell phone, and it's 816-699-7632.
You heard it here first. This is a prototype. If pre-kitting beverages is in fact a concern or a problem or a pain point for you, and you would love to participate in this, give Dean a call, because we feel like out of all of our travels, this is the most creative drink tote we have ever seen. So thanks for checking out this episode of A Minute with Marler, and call Dean if you're interested. Thanks for watching.